To get started, go to Accounting, then click Inbound Shipping. Here you'll see a list of your inbound shipments and sortable columns. This includes batch name, shipment created date, status, box content, shipment ID, destination, shipment costs. Use advanced search to find shipments within or from a certain date range. Need to print a packing list? Click the shipment ID to open it up in a new tab. From there, you can print or save it. You can also reprint 2D barcode labels under the box content column, even after the shipment is no longer in working status. The 2D barcode labels will open in new tabs to be printed using your browser's printing functions. To reprint shipping labels, click the printer icon next to the destination. Labels download as PDF files, including pallet labels for LTL shipments. It's important to note, shipping labels for non-partnered carrier shipments must be accessed through your carrier directly. Click the icon next to a shipment to view tracking details. You'll see the shipment ID, carrier, and tracking IDs for SPD or PRO numbers for LTL. You can copy tracking numbers or download box and pallet labels from here. Tracking IDs and PRO numbers will only be available for shipments that were entered while completing them in InventoryLab. Tracking IDs or PRO numbers entered for shipments in Seller Central will not be available. To update shipment details, select one or more of the shipments. Then, click Action on Selected and choose Edit. Make changes to the shipment date, box cost, or other costs. Then click Save. You can also click directly into those fields to make quick edit. Let's take a look at the cost fields. Shipment costs is updated every 6 hours, but isn't editable. Box costs let you track how much you spend on shipping boxes. Other costs can be used to record any other related expenses, especially when shipping costs aren't synced from Amazon. It's important to note that if you need to delete a shipment, this needs to be done directly in Seller Central. And that's a quick look at the inbound shipping page. Thanks for watching.